How to speed up video on iPhone. To speed up video on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up the iMovie application on your phone. Now, tap on the Start New Project section at the bottom of your screen. Then, tap on Movies. After that, select a video from your gallery. Once you're done, tap on the Create Movie button at the bottom. Now, tap on the clip over here to edit the video. After that, you need to tap on this icon over here. Then, you need to slide the bar to increase the speed of your video. Once you have increased the speed of your video, play the video. As you can see, you have successfully increased the speed of your video. Once you have finished editing the video, tap on Done at the top left corner of your screen. By following these simple steps, you can easily speed up a video on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.